We initially went into the crushing game to deal with concrete recycling. We started doing a bit of gravel crushing on the side, which has grown. We have various bits of Keestrack equipment. We've got the R5h behind us. We also have the R3h. We run a K4 scalper as well. So I'm Chris Smallmon from Smallmon Brothers Waste and Recycling, in business with my brother Nigel. Primarily we're a waste collection company as our name, but we also have another side of the business, which is what we call our processing side of the business. With our waste collection side of the business, we had a concrete collection service, and the current provider we had at the time, he sort of stepped out of the market and left us with this issue we had to sort. We were scratching along and battling hard. We bought an old jaw. We did what we had to do with it, but it wasn't doing what we needed. We did try another brand machine. It just wasn't doing it. Through a lot of research, we come across Screenmasters. Once we got onto Kieran and give the original R3 a trial, it just made it easy for us. And then obviously we stepped onto better models and bigger models since, which is just continuing to make it easier.
So since that first purchase, Chris has actively been looking for more crushing and screening jobs, and he's been winning a lot more. And as he's progressed and won more jobs, he's needed higher capacity machines and more machines. So we're lucky enough to sell him a K4 and just recently the new R5h. It's a new machine that we're bringing to market, and we're glad we could work with Chris to introduce it into the Australian market. So the R5 is a high output machine. It's a larger machine, so it'll be able to take larger feed size at a higher production. Also, the machine he's purchased has a double deck screen box on it, so he's able to create 2 to 4 products at any one time, with the swiveling return conveyor and also the dirt conveyor.
The R5 did attract us because it's very similar to the R3 in the way they operate, ease of maintenance. Also, another thing to keep in mind is it could be up to 40% less wear cost in running the machine. It's just where we needed to be, I believe, for the bigger jobs.
We're always there for support and service. A lot of the time we will come out and help him when he needs to be helped. We also have our fitters available on the phone.
We ring the boys direct, doesn't matter what time of the day, they jump on it and sort it out for us.
We support him with parts as well. We don't just want to sell him one machine and walk away. We want to build a long-lasting relationship.
I've recommended the Keestracks quite a bit and Screenmaster to people that we work with. They really are built to handle the shitty conditions, and the production levels we get out of them is just unbelievable compared to the same machines on the market, the similar size.